What's up, team? FULLEST is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So in today's video, we are going to try this Sunny Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil Repairing Mask. I picked this mask up from the TK Maxx if you live in the Netherlands. So today was my daughter's hair wash day. I've already washed the hair, I've washed it, I've conditioned, I've detangled it. So when I pick up this hair mask, I picked it up for 10 euros 99 or something like that. And so I thought, you know what? I was not in the mood of doing DIY hair mask today, so I thought, you know what, let's give this hair mask a try. As you guys can see, her hair is clean, it's detangled, I've washed it. Her hair has grown so much, and I've been really taking care of the kids' hair. When it comes to my own hair, I just cut it, and I like to do different things with my hair, but with the kids' hair, I have been really making sure I deep conditioner, I do my DIY hair mask. I really take good care of their hair. So I thought today let's give this a try. And normally I do go to the TK Maxx a lot and look there for some hair mask because I like having this type of hair mask at home for the days that I am not in the mood of doing any DIY hair mask. I will easily just take this one and use it on the hair. And today was that day. I was not feeling it to do a DIY hair mask because she had like a really old protective hairstyles in her hair, and we had to take the braid out, detangle, wash, deep conditioner, and now we're doing the hair mask. So the process was a little bit longer just because she's still a child, and she cannot sit down for that long amount. So I first have to detangle and then take a break and then wash the hair and then take a little bit break and then deep conditioner, and then now we're taking some break off again. We're going to do the hair mask. So it's a bit long, and she's not somebody, the kids, they cannot sit for a very long time. So that's the reason why even when it comes to doing protective hair braids, I don't normally show you guys how I braid their hair, because then the video is going to be in different section, and I really do not have time for that. So yeah, but this is very simple. I really love the hair mask. It makes the hair feels really good. I love the smell, and I've also seen a lot of great reviews on this hair mask on YouTube before ever I purchased it. So I was in the store and I saw the hair mask. I just went to YouTube immediately before ever buying it, and I saw some great reviews, and I thought, let me just pick it up. So I pick it up, and here I am using it on her hair. I'm really focusing on the end, because you know the end of the hair is the oldest part. So I is the oldest part of the hair. So I really like to pay attention to the ends of the hair, make sure that one has enough product, enough oil. And I really just love the product, and I'm really happy to see the way the hair is really growing, and knowing that all my effort is not going in vain. And yeah, I really also try to do like a really simple protective hairstyle with their natural hair. Sometimes I do add some extensions when it comes to the kids' natural hair if I want the hair to last for a long time. Like for example, I know this month I'm going to be super busy, and I really do not have time to be taking off braid and be doing it. So I do sometimes add extension to it to make sure the hair lasts longer than when you use their own natural hair to braid. Normally it just lasts for 1-2 weeks. After 2 weeks it's not looking decent anymore, so you have to take it off. Sometimes I just braid their natural hair, and the days that I know that I'm going to be really busy, the months that I know that, for example, this month I'm going to be super busy, I just go in with extension so that the hair lasts longer. I also love using my hair growth oil. As you guys can see, I love using my oils on the kids' hair. I don't really buy oil in the store. I just buy like I buy olive oil or coconut oil, and I do mix my DIY oil. So I've been using a lot of my own natural hair oil on my hair. I've been using my own hair. I don't really buy hair oil hair growth hair oil in the store anymore. I just use mine and have been really seeing some great results with the kids' hair, not only mine, also my older daughter, my younger daughter. I will come up with that video very soon. Her hair was really long, but because she don't like sitting down. Now it's getting better. She doesn't like sitting down, so because of that I did big chop her hair, because I was getting frustrated, like, sit down, let me do her hair. She was crying. So I just cut the hair off, and now we're doing it again. And so, yeah, it's going good. So now I'm going to allow her to sit underneath the dryer for 20 minutes. I left the hair mask in for, I think, 40 minutes. And she sat under the dryer for 20 minutes. And then 20 minutes, we just leave it like that. Now it's time to wash the hair, and the reason why I use the dryer is so that, you know, the oil, the product can really penetrate into the hair. And now I'm going to use lukewarm water. It's not warm, it's not cold, just in between. And I'm using that to just rinse the hair. Just make sure I rinse the hair, get all the products out the hair. And after I'm done with washing the hair, I'm going to be doing a quick and easy protective hairstyle. I'm not going to show you guys how I braid the hair, because like I said, with the kids' hair, sometimes braiding, they will be crying, they will be like giving you like a really crazy expression, face expressions, and which of course I don't want it to look like I'm fussing them, because you know this YouTube thing, people would just say things and be like, oh, the kid don't want to braid their hair, you're forcing the child. And which of course, this is a process every mom goes through when you have little children. But sometimes the media can be a little bit very humane, as we say it in George, very mean. So because of that, I don't really like showing me braiding the kids' hair when I know that it's going to be like not a peaceful one, because they're going to be like very expressive with their face, or sometimes maybe even cry because they don't want to sit down. But at the end result, they really loved it. So I'll show you guys the protective hairstyle that I did on her hair. When I finished with the braid, she loves it. The whole week she was going like, oh, look at my hair, like showing off in school with her new hair. But when it comes to the process of getting the hair done, it can be sometimes a pain, because they don't really want to do it. So that's the reason why I prefer not to put that part on video, because I don't want people to be leaving like really negative comments. And when it comes to my children, I really don't play. I will roast you if you ever try to come for my kids. So when I know people are like that, I really don't put that part of video. I really don't let do videos when I know that they don't want it, or they are not in the mood, or they just don't want to sit down. Because I know for her, going through this process and have to sit down to film to do her hair, she's not going to like it, because the hair process take a whole day, because she's just young and she's just a child. So yeah, this is the protective hairstyle I did, and she loved it. Actually, she loved the hair with her own natural hair. So this will last maybe a week or two, and then I will have to do it again. So yeah, this is it. And the hair product was really nice. I loved it. She loved it. Hope you all like this video. If you do, please FULLEST, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And my hair growth oil, they are working marvelous. I really loved it. Yeah, I really loved it, and I love the hair. And so what I do also with this hair oil, every other day, sometimes every two days, I will go in and oil the hair. I will oil the hair. I will focus on the edges. As you guys can see, the braid is looking really nice. So in two weeks, 3 weeks time, I'll just take it out, and then I'll braid it again. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of the oil on my hand, and I'm just going to oil the hair, just press it on the edges. I love focusing on the edges, because that is like the oldest part of the hair. It's the most fragile part of the hair. When you want to retain length, if you want your hair to grow, you want to retain the length, pay attention more to your ends, because that is the part, that is the oldest part, that is the part that is very sensitive to breakage. So pay attention to it more, and that will really help with you retaining the hair length that you want. So yeah, this is it. I'm happy she loves it. I'm happy we're done with it. So the next 2-3 weeks we don't have to do hair, but I still have one more head to do, which is the little girl. But for her, I will do it next weekend, and just to give a little bit of gap so that I don't have 2 children stressing me out when it comes to do hair. So Team Fullest, thank you all so much. See you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.